Hello everybody, here's Adaleana and Christopher. Is this their first time making a video? They're going to attempt to make slime. So first ingredients we're going to use is 1/4 cup of water. And then she's going to pour about 1 ounce of Elmer's glue in the, in here, in the bowl. I'll tell you when, just keep going. Let me see.
Cool.
Okay, that should be good. Now, add your food coloring that you would like.
Well, we will like some.
You're just going to make pink this time?
No, pink and purple.
Okay, so put a couple drops of pink. You're going to make 2 different slimes or 1 slime?
1.
Okay.
No. And Chris, do you want to do this one?
Okay. Christopher's going to put some purple in the bowl, Chris. Put about 3 drops or 2 drops.
2 drops. Why not doing it? Yeah.
Have Sissy help you.
So, push. Oh, you squeeze it. Yeah. Squeeze it hard. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, let me do the other one.
Okay, that's good. Put the lid back on.
Oh, you did it.
Okay, Christopher, you want to stir it up? Stir it up.
Mix the glue.
Okay. Adaleana's going to add about 1/4 cup of borax into the slime. Add it slowly. Keep stirring, Christopher. Keep stirring. Fast. Keep stirring.
It makes purple and cool.
Oh. Keep stirring.
It makes dark purple.
Add the borax, Lena.
Forming.
Okay. Let Lena stir it for a minute.
Hey, Nina's turn. And I love Nina.
I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of hot water. Maybe it will help it dissolve. Let's see.
Turn it into slime. Right now. It's so cool. Right, Nina? I love the purple color. And Christopher's turn. Does it really look?
Let's see. Let's put a little bit more
glue. Oh,
Okay.
that looks like enough.
Okay. Now let's give it a good stir.
Good. Yeah, I really want to do the chlorine.
Okay, Chris, I want you to get your hands in there and put it all together.
Put it all together.
Yeah. It's not too hot, is it? Put your hands in there.
Ooh.
Okay, squish it all together to form the slime.
Ooh.
All of it. You get it all together.
Get all
the pieces, Chris.
Get all the glue.
All the pieces together in one big glob. Make it all go together.
Yeah. That's the glue?
Put the big pieces in here in this bowl. We'll use 2 bowls. Put all the big pieces in here.
Put all of it.
Put it in there and squish it together. Squish it together. Keep squishing it together.
Oh, that's the glue, huh? I got all the glue. So we got slime, huh?
Keep going. Let's look and see how the slime looks. This is Adaleana and Christopher.
And
okay, let's pull up the slime and let's see what it looks like. Let's see, pull it out.
Pull it out?
Yeah, pick it up.
Pick it up.
And voila!
We made slime! Yay! Ooh, it's so squishy. Do we have to put it in the trash? I'm gonna wash my hands. Where but it still feels squishy.
And then what you do is you can put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. Okay, you gotta stir it up more. It's okay.
I made a butt cheek.
Come on, stir it up. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. No, with your hands.
Okay.
Squish it all together. She had an explosion, people. She had an explosion. Okay.
Feels good.
Come on, you gotta squish it all together. Mix it all together. Christopher didn't mix it very well.
I made it actually butt cheek.
Christopher,
He didn't mean that. No.
we don't talk like that.
No, I just say no, I just say it made it like it. I actually wow. This is so good. It feels like salt and pepper.
Okay, come on, squish it all together so all the colors mix. Come on.
I feel like we have to add more pink and purple. Whoa! Squish it together.
Okay, there's their slime. Ta-da!
Wow.
Very easy to make.
He just needs all of these ingredients.
Yes, all of these ingredients.
My hand
This is Adaleana and Christopher's first video. Thank you. Say goodbye, kids.
Bye!
Okay.
I will see you on YouTube.
Okay. let me see.
I'm putting more. I will see you on YouTube.